Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete Google advertising ID on your Android phone. Especially if you have Oppo phone, you can remove Google ad preferences and cache. So let's start by go to the settings on your phone, and here you can scroll down and search for Google. You can tap it. So this is the Google services that you can try to adjust or configure, and you can tap on all services. This one here, you can try to scroll down and try to search the ads privacy and under privacy and security. Tap it, and here we go. There are some options. For example, like reset advertising ID. This generates a new advertising ID that apps can use from now on, or you can delete. App can no longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ads. And here you can try to enable debug logging for ads. Instruct apps to write ads debugging information such as network traffic to the system log. So just leave it be, don't turn this on. And these settings help you control whether apps can use this device advertising ID to personalize ads. And here you can try to delete it. Just tap. Now this device your current advertising ID. Apps can still show you ads, but they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. Apps use the device the advertising ID to show you personalized ads. When you lose personalization, it means you have less control over the type of ads you see. So please choose wisely. Your advertising ID will be deleted, but apps may have their own settings which can also affect the type of ads you see. So you can always get a new advertising ID later. So just tap delete advertising ID if you want to. Or there is another option. You can try to reset. This replace the device advertising ID with a new random number. Apps can still show you ads, but for a while they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. So there are two options here: reset or delete. Choose wisely. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.